Hi, it's Amy. I am back. It's been a couple weeks, but I've come back with some more flip throughs. I've decided I'm going to stick with doing flip throughs from now for a little while longer because I have so much going on right now. And I wanted to show you some of these books. So these are really cute. I have Winter Whimsy, which I will show in a second. And I've got Cozy Winter Ephemera. It's a little glossy, so sorry about the glare. I was hoping it wouldn't be too much glare, but it's starting to get dark out, so that's what happens. So this book is from, let's see who it's from. It doesn't say anything on the back. That's interesting. Huh. I'll figure it out. Well, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just start showing it to you. Anyway, this has got some really interesting, like very vintage looking, like photograph type of pictures. Very old-fashioned. Very interesting. Again, you know, I'm just getting these books mainly off of Amazon. So if you know, if you like them, you can find them on Amazon right now. They're having their, you know, they're starting their Black Friday sales, I think, already. So I don't know if any of these are on sale, but you can find out. Very cute little ephemera pictures. Little owl that hat on. So this one's very cozy. I liked it because it had a variety of pictures. I love the little cute little ones the most. Ones like, you know, this like the photograph ones. Not so much into that. I like the whimsical look on this page. The vibrant colors. Christmas. Here's a gingerbread man. So it's not just a Christmas book, but it's, you know, for all of winter. So that's cool, but there are some Christmas themes thrown in. She's upside down. I don't know why they did that, but I guess to fit her in there. These mainly digital pictures. So they don't all, you know, this dog's much bigger than this girl in her chair, so they don't all fit together, but they're all, you know, for you to cut out. Fussy cut. You make a cut down the side, you know, right here, and you can take off the page and then cut out each little picture. You could also use like die cuts, or, you know, circles, shapes, different things. You can make bookmarks. I was hoping to get a video out soon of, like, you know, this type of, well, the way these books, how you can cut them apart easily. But lately, I've literally had so much going on. We had first of all, the reason I have painted nails is because I ended up visiting my sister, who was in another state, and she took me for nail, a mani-pedi day, whatever, spa day, which was wonderful. We had a great time with her daughter, one of her daughters, so I was very happy to be doing that with them. But the reason I was at their house for a couple days was because we had to replace our boiler, our furnace. Oh, look how blue this is. This is really pretty for winter. Yeah, our furnace needed to be replaced. We'd had no heat for almost a week, and it got really cold. Talking about winter. So actually, this is probably, I probably should have done this today. Just back in my house now. We're getting warmed up. It's good. My son's coming home from college for the Thanksgiving holiday, so he'll be home probably any minute. Might even come in while I'm in the middle of this video. I'm not sure, but I was hoping to get a video done because it has been a little while. But I'm excited because I have, this one will be my 100th video, and I have 250 subscribers now, so that's so exciting. I'm really enjoying this, and I want to keep going with it, so, and doing more tutorial type of videos, so I'm glad I can keep up with it and enjoy. Oh, we had young women, and now here's an older woman, so there you go. That's great. Some more teddy bears. I love teddy bears. Look how pretty that tree is with all the snow on it, I guess. Oh. yeah, I'm getting, so, very cool. Loving the vibes with this one. It's a little different than the some of the other books that I've shown. More like real pictures, like that looks almost like a photograph there. And then this obviously isn't, but the these side pictures here are obviously very cute too. So it's too bad when you have to do that, when you have to choose what to cut out. I'd rather, oh, she's the girl on the front there. I'd rather that not be the situation, but it happens. Okay, so this is Kate Curry. She's pretty well known for doing scrapbook layouts. You know, these cut and collage books. Here's a whole bunch of them by her, and she often works with some other creators too. I think one of them is called Penny Toast. So yeah, so that's Kate Curry. So that's cute. Very, very cute little book. Cozy Winter Ephemera. Okay, and then this book I got, Winter Whimsy. I just found this online too, and I was like, oh, that's so cute. I love the colors. Collage ephemera for art journaling. So cute. I love it. So let's get into this one. This one's from Rhapsody Hues. I have shown some other flip throughs from Rhapsody Hues, so if you're interested, you can look those up on my channel. Also, the Marry Me Small Art is just amazing me how many people are loving that, and I'm not amazed by it. I think it's great. Marta, who does Marry Me Small Art, just does a wonderful job with her collections too. So if you want to look it up for any of those, definitely check them out on my video channel, because there's been I'm almost 2,000 views on one of her Magical Forest book, which is great. And she's also got some Christmas books that are coming out, and I'm probably gonna get Christmas books. Here, let me show this. Pretty. Love the colors. This one's from Rhapsody Hues, and their colors are just phenomenal. I love the autumn book that I showed of them. But yeah, so the Marry Me Small Art books are getting a lot of views. These cut apart books are just so cute, and I hope that you enjoy getting to see them, the ones that I choose. I am trying to limit myself though, because I'd buy a whole bunch more. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just stick with what I can, and I will hopefully get some Marry Me Small Art books soon out on the video, so people can see those too. So check back for that. I don't think that they've come out with her new ones have come out yet. On Amazon in America, but hopefully soon. But I do have some from last year that I want to share, just so you can get an idea what she has already on, on her on Amazon. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Just I love the scenery. Love the colors in this book. Blues. Purples. Oh, and those cute bunnies. Look at easy to fussy cut, but you could also just use a die to cut them out. This is easy to cut with like a crafting knife, X-Acto knife, and then cut with the paper trimmer. Or even like a rectangular die. Same with these. Square die. Yeah. So I know that some people don't like to cut, do fussy cutting with just scissors. But there are options. You don't have to just use scissors on these books. You could rip them. Ripping them makes them more, ideal for journaling and decoupage, scrapbooking. collaging, all those things. Look how cute she is. Oh, goodness. Just, I'm just in awe of these colors. They just work, you know, the pinks, the blues, the teals, the colors. So pretty. Some are more whimsical, some are more like, just like realistic looking, more magical with the fairy wings. So if you like fairies, this is a good book for that too, because they're a little bit different. Like these just look like children with wings, and she looks like a fairy. Oh, almost missed a page. Christmas one, very cute. Not so much, these are more just for winter, but you could use them for Christmas too. Oh, look at these pretty scenes. You got backgrounds, but you also have like, you know, windows and like little scenes that you can put together. Put the fairies into the sceneries. Oh, that's cool. Could be used as one whole page, but also separated out. So cute. Oh, beautiful. I love the backgrounds in this one. Yeah, and I love that they have the page on the other side is just, you know, plain with some snowflakes that you can use. You can cut it out if you want, but you don't have to. That's the end of that book. Again, that's Winter Whimsy by Rhapsody Hues. I hope I was in film. I hope I was in the... sometimes I get a little bit off when I'm looking at the books. I get so excited. But yeah, I enjoy showing these books. So please keep coming back for more. And hopefully I'll have some new ones soon that you will be very excited to see. So make sure to subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up, check back soon. And I hope you have a wonderful holiday. Take care now. Bye.